Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learner's Podcast. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the students' results cards by using the mail merge function of the MS Word. Well, these days, where every teacher is busy in the online classes, and I've observed that while making the students' results cards, many teachers have made it manually. Manually mean they have either typed it by every record separately, putting all the marks and the names and student data separately on each page, or they have just by doing the handwriting. By writing it with their hands on these results cards. So if any teacher has more than 100 students, 200 students, it was very difficult for him, and I have seen that it takes days to complete this task. And it was not only also a difficult, and also there were the chances of the mistakes, and repeatedly they have to review the records and all these things. So it was a difficult. I felt that it is very difficult. So I have the very simple solution, or rather the very quick way of doing all this thing by using the mail merging function of the MS Word. And believe it to me, by using the mail merging, that the things that you are completing in 3 or 4 or 5 days, daily 4 to 5 hours you are spending on these things, you can just complete this thing in just 3 minutes. So this is what I am going to demonstrate in today's video. So let's begin. So when we talk about the mail merging, so it means merging the data of the two documents. Okay. Generally, one document is the primary document. Here in this case, if you can see, this is the MS Word document and this is the MS Excel document. Okay. So we have the one one document is the master document, or the document in which we say it's the template. Template mean in which that is the main document in which you place the data. Like here in this case, we have the student's result card. Okay. And then the another sheet, which is the MS Excel in this case. MS Excel contains it is a data sheet. It contains the records of the students. Okay, students, all the information that you generally put in the results card, that is placed in the MS Excel. So we are going to import the data from the MS Excel into the MS Word. So if you see here in this slide, you can find that you can see that this is the template. This is the MS Word document. This is the result card. Okay, and these are the different fields. Like you write different things in these fields, like student's name, father name, section, and all these things. Here you put the marks obtained by the students and all that. Okay, this is the Excel sheet. Here you can find these columns. These columns shows these fields, and these rows show the students records. Okay, so let's work with the actual document. So first of all, I show you, this is the MS Word document, which is the student result card, and almost all the result cards are almost having the same kind of the information with some variations in it, but generally it contains the things, similar things. So here you can see this is the department, program, student name, father name, semester, section, subject, shift, morning and evening, and all these things. And then next one is the midterm marks, assignment marks, and then the final marks, total marks, and here you will write the students' marks obtained. And this result card is for the final exams out of the 50. So there are the option of the 5 questions. So it may be the 6th question or whatever. If here in this case, in this template, I'm using the 5 questions. Okay, then we put the total marks and the inwards. Here I have written the teacher's name, and teacher's name is a fixed field, so there is no need to keep it empty. Okay. So next we are moving to the Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet that contains the student records. While checking the papers, it is very easily, these fields like student's name, their programs, their father name, their semester, section, and subject, and all these things is already available with the teachers. They get it from the departments, and all they need is to, while checking the paper, they have to place they have to fill this thing, these questions simply. Okay, when they check the paper and complete this these columns, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then you have to place this midterm marks and also the internal marks. So these are the fields that are generally required by the teachers to fill. I'm just highlighting it so that it is easily understandable. So this is the input from the teacher generally while making this sheet. Okay, rest, this is the sum of sum. If you see this formula here, I mean summing up this question number 1 to 5. So this is the total to 37. This 37 is also written in words here. And then the total marks, this is a sum of all these things: final marks, midterm marks, and internal marks. So this is complete. So the teacher can review it, can check it if there is any mistakes or typing mistake, or even they can, sort it, they can set it, or whatever. After completing this data sheet in every sense, they have to keep one thing also. They have to keep the one thing in the mind, that the first row should contain the header row. This is a header row. Header row means all the headings. This is the heading of the different fields that we are going to, the insert. We are going to import. We are going to insert the data from this sheet. And these are then from the next second row, straight away the student's record should be started. Okay, now we are going to start how to do the mail merge. Just note down the time, that how quickly we can do it. If we have all these, this is the prerequisite for doing the mail merge. So after completing this prerequisite, now we are going to start the mail merging. So for the mail merging, we'll go into the main primary document. Here you will see, first you have to select this mailing option. You will see the start mail merge. Here you will find the different options of the mail merging. These are kind of the mail merge that we normally we can do. But here we are just selecting the normal Word document. You can also select the letters. So I'm just selecting the normal MS Word document. Okay, after this, I'm going to select the input file. The data from where I'm going to import the data. And this is I'm going to use this option, using the existing list. I'm using the existing file that I have already developed. So I have select this one, file name. This will open the new file. As you can see, these are the different sheets of the Excel file. If you can see our Excel file, these are the sheet. These are the things that are being shown in that window. Okay, so I am going to select this one, this mail merge one. Okay, so going back, so I will select this mail merge sheet. After this, I'm going to press OK. But before press OK, make sure that the first row of the data contains column headers. This is checked. Okay, after that, now we will go into the edit recipient list. Here it is giving you the option that if you are not interested to make the the result cards of all the students, so you can just unselect it. If you are not interested to make the result card of the BBA, so you just unselect all these. You can straight away unselect from here. If you are only interested to make the cards for the MBA class, you just select only the MBA students. So even you can, this is up to you. But here in this exercise, I am selecting everyone, all these 54 students. Okay, after that, you can also sort and filter option is also, this is also a good option there, so that you can have the if your records are sorted, you can very easily place it or group it separately. Like for example, if you can sort the records, for example, sort by, for example, programs, sort by sections. So just press OK. So you can see that these records are sorted with respect to the programs and also the sections, as you can see from here. Okay, these are the sections A, B, C. Okay, after that, just okay. Now your mail merge is completed. Now the first part of the mail merge is completed. This is the setting part. Now next part is the insert the field. Here what you will do is you need to select the fields from the Excel file that you are going to place here. Like here in this case, this is the first merge field, that is the program field. So its placeholder would be selected from here, program. Its placeholder is here. Then the student name. This is another field. You select the student names. For the father name, you select the father name. For the semester, this is the semester, and then the section, this is the section. Okay, and after that the subject, and then the shift. Okay, after that the marks, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and the 5. Then the total marks, total are here, these are the total mean the final marks. Okay, and then the in words, also put the words, then the midterm marks, this is the midterm mark, then the assignment marks, this is the internal marks, and then the final marks. Final are the these marks, and then the total marks, and total is this one. Okay, that's it. So all the fields are now filled with the placeholders. So this has completed our mail merge setting in every sense. Now just after this, we will press this finish mail merge. You will just see, just keep your eyes on this sheet. You will see what is going to happen here. There are 3 options: print documents and email. If you are sure that your data is accurate, there is no need. But if you want to see these final documents, these result cards before printing, so you can just select. I am selecting this edit individual documents. So select all and press OK. So just see it. Look here, it is developing these cards for you. How quickly, just hardly took 5 seconds. Okay. So now as you can see it from here, like for example, I'm taking you to the print preview. Like you just so quickly you can see all these. You can just not only review it from here straight away before printing, and if you're sure that it is accurate, you just press the print button, and that's it. So this is all about the mail merging. So I hope this is going to be a very useful video for you. And I would recommend that all the teachers use this mail merge function. It is very simple and easy to use, but it helps you a lot. I mean, it saves your time, it saves your energies, and also it helps you to complete your the results. So thank you very much. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel.